Today, we will solve another tricky word problem. To solve any word problem, please follow the standard method below. Step 1. Read the question carefully and identify the given information. Step 2. Then solve the problem step by step. Now, let's read the question. If prime factorization is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3, find the number. So, what is given in the problem? The prime factorization of a number is given. That is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3. What do we need to find? We need to find the required number. Got it? Now, let us solve the problem. Prime factorization of a number equals 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3. This can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now, let us multiply first two digits. 2 multiplied by 2 gives 4. Then, write the remaining as it is. Again, multiply first two digits. 4 multiplied by 2 gives 8. Then, write the remaining as it is. Finally, 8 multiplied by 3 gives 24. Therefore, the required number is 24. Got it? Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.